Talofa lava. I want to state clearly to our people that my position against seabed mining in waters surrounding American Samoa has not changed. No one else speaks for me, despite characterizations and assumptions of my position, whether Republicans or Democrats. I've now made 7 public statements on this issue because of its importance, and because various posts, comments, or statements sometimes say they describe my position. They do not. I was clear from the beginning that I stand with the people, and then with statements of opposition as we learned more. I submitted opposition comments to the Interior Department and spoke out at congressional committee hearings. I remain opposed and consistent. In holding to this position, I'm confident that I represent a majority of our people on this. That is the job of a House representative. The founders of the United States purposely designed the House of Representatives to be the people's house and directly represent the will of the people, more so than any other aspect of the federal government. I take that responsibility seriously. Most of our people are opposed, and I represent our people. Soifua maia manuia.